Hello, this is Team 1015 Minisat here to do our vacuum test. You can see here our fully assembled CanSat inside the container with the nose cone on. And there is our vacuum chamber. We're going to put it in there right now. Of course, suspended.
Next, we're going to turn telemetry on, and then momentarily we're going to calibrate the altitude to 0. And then we're ready to perform the test.
Altitude is increasing, pressure decreasing, and our altitude is slowly decreasing while our pressure is slowly increasing.
You can see our stage.
Payload has been deployed.
We're
Hard to
in the
hear
descent
because we
phase.
have a soft surface on the bottom.
Continuing to descend. And we have landed.
Alright, let's check on the CanSat. Here's our container. Separated payload. And the nose cone also separated, which is our egg encasement device. I'm going to save all this data to CSV.
Right here. And then we can go and take a look at it. Our most recent save right here has all of our colorful data.
Alright, thank you.